Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is well. Today I'm going to show you full end-to-end data science project where I will show you full data science project which you can use in your CV or resume, which you can show to your client as a portfolio. If you have not much time to watch this video until end, then please use the 2x speed and let's start this video without wasting time. Now I am going to making the Conda environment. Then we will install the all initial libraries which we are going to use in this project. So let's do this. My terminal is start. So let's make the environment, but I need the Python 3.11. Conda is making the environment. So let's see. Now the conda is make the environment and I activate the environment. Now let install the all libraries which we are uh, which we will use in this project. Let's see. Okay. Conda also installing the sorry pip is installing the all libraries and dependencies also. Now finally it installed our libraries and now this time it is in the final step. So let's see, it take much more time. So why I skip the installing procedure. Here is the all libraries installed. You can watch on the screen easily. Let's move to the next. One thing I want to show you, I am using ChatGPT. This means I am using the AI. Why I am using the AI? Not because I not know. I know many things, but ChatGPT is like a coder, and I am a brain. Okay, so please don't mind. I'm using ChatGPT to write the code fast. Okay. Now let make the first notebook. Uh, this notebook help to get the data from the website. Basically, this notebook is gathering the data or fetching the data from the website. Today we will use the WB data WBK. Okay, or you can also say the Python library or API key. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. I run the cell of import libraries, but it connecting the kernel. uh, After connecting the kernel, it will run. Let's define the parameters. Okay, I defined the parameter. Let fetch the data for all countries from 2000 to 2025. Okay, I fetch the data. It almost take 2 minutes, and let rename the columns and reset the index for easy use, and let make the, but here is the error. I am again fetching the data from the website, so and it taking some time, almost 4 minutes. Let run the cells. Let's see. Okay, let run it again, but again this cell showing some error. I solved the error. Let's move to next. Okay, let's save the, but the dataset is not look um, like I want. Let's see the data set header. Okay, it's showing the data, yearly data in column form, not in row, and that thing at sorry, that thing I not like. So let's see. I think we need to again we need to fetch the data from the website. Now this time I am upgrading my notebook with the AI agentic workflow of Copilot of VS Code. Allow. Okay, it upgrading my notebook, and then it will give me the data set like I want. So let's see. I hope this help me, right? And I am also watching my credits, how much credits it taking. Okay, it upgraded my notebook, and this time we need to save the data, and also it showing there is some null values in the data set we need to clear. Now I am going to saving the data set. So let's save the data set in the data set in the sorry in the data folder. Let's see. Okay, I saved the data. Here is the data. You watching the data. Okay, all needed columns are available in the data set. Okay, that data set is nice. Now this time I'm making the notebook to clean the data set for machine learning task. Okay, I made the notebook. So let import the library and load the data set. Let's see. Okay, it connecting the kernel, and then it will be run this cell. Okay. Okay, I loaded the data set, and here is the missing values in every columns. These all columns contains missing values. So we need to fix. I mean, we need to import or remove the missing values. Then it will be safe for a machine learning task. Now let's run the cell to import the null values, and it running, and it using interpolant function to import the missing values. But here is the error: incompatible index of insert columns with the frame index. Let's solve this error. Now I imported all missing values. Next, we need to save this data set as CSV. So let's save this data set. Okay, I saved the data set. Let's see. Okay, the data set is saved. Okay, now we are going to train some many model for the project. Today we are going to train the different models. Also, we will check the score, which model, which algorithm give the best score, then we will save it. Okay. As usual, I import all initial libraries which we are need in this project. As usual, I also loaded the data set. Now let's move to next. Next, we need to select the target variable, which is crude birth rate. We will train the model on this variable. So let's move to next. This time we are splitting the data into train test, and this is totally different because the task is forecasting. Forecasting is also part of machine learning. So let run this cell. Now I trained the all models successfully. Uh, I choose the linear regression, random forest, gradient boosting. Okay. Now let's see the scores of all models. Let's see linear regression giving the best score. So we will also save this model, but we will train two more models which are Profit and Arima. Now this time we are going to train the Arima model on this task. So let's see uh, how much it give the performance. Okay, it running the cell. It run out, but it giving me the error mismatched columns value error. Let's see how we can solve. I am fixing the error with the help of um, Copilot. Let's see Copilot solve this error or not. Let's see. Okay, I solve the problem, and now let's see the profit model. I run out the profit model. Now I am checking the score of all models, but the Arima and profit model not giving the best score. It giving me in the minus, and minus score minus R square score is not best. So we will save only the linear regression. Linear regression giving the best score. Now I am also give the reason why we choose the linear regression, because the linear regression giving the best score like R square and other. Let's move to our next task. The next task is the type it is prevalence. Okay, I select the target variable. Now let's move to next. Now I also define the uh, target log 1 and log 2. Now this time I also slipped the data into train test. Now this time we are training the models. Okay, the model are trains. Now here is the scores of all these models. Now this time we are going to train the Arima model. Let's see. Now I run the cell, and it running in the loop for every country like Canada, China, and Pakistan and other countries. Uh, okay, it is trained. Now this time we are going to train the profit model on the task. Okay, it running the cell, and it training the profit model on Canada. It running in the loop, and then it training the every country data. I mean profit model is training on over each country by using the loop, and also separate like now it's showing the training profit model for China, Pakistan, India, and also USA. Now this time we are checking the uh, scores of all models. Let's see which give the best performance. Here is the result of all models, but it's showing in the data frame, and only it showing the Arima and profit model. Again, it's showing the R square in negative. That mean the profit and Arima model is not best for this task. Now it is showing the best model is a profit, but the profit model is best on the Canada data, not over the worldwide. Uh, we are training the model over worldwide, so that is not good. Now this time we are going to save the model, best model. Best model is a profit on Canada, but we are doing the project is worldwide. So why I saved the linear regression? Because the linear regression is trained on over every country data. Now this time the next target is NCT mortality. Now I am doing the same thing as I did. Now I trained the Arima model, but again it not showing the best score. It is showing the R square in negative. That is not best. Now I am going to our machine learning models. Let's see. Now I slipped the data in a train test. Now let's run this. Okay, it's running. It slipped the data into train test. Now this time I run the linear regression. Now now this time random forest algorithm, random forest regressor. Let's see next. Next is gradient boosting. Okay. Now let's see the scores of all ML models, and also here is the profit model. After profit model, we will see the score of all models. But here is the problem. All models are giving the negative value of R. So I think we don't need to save the model on this task. We will leave it. Now this time total fatality rate, and again I'm doing the same thing like before I did. Now I am leaving to target NCD mortality and total fatality rate. Okay, because the every model is giving the negative R square, and also they are not giving the other scores not well, so we are leave it. And let's move to our next. The next is Streamlit web app. Let's make it. I made it the app file, and I also pasted my code here. Let's start this app, and then we will check how it work. Here is the app, and now it loading the app. Then it will show the data. Okay, now it is showing the graph here, box plot distribution of, but here is the error. Let's solve this error. Now I am solving the error with the help of AI agentic workflow. Let's see how it solve it. Let's see. Okay, I pasted the problem, and now it working on it. Okay, your error means the model was okay, let's see it doing something. Oh, okay. It gives me the code to solve the problem. Now I am going to upgrade this code. Okay, let's see. Now app is working fine. Okay, app is working. Multiple line compression. Now I select another column, and it working well. Okay, it's showing the lines, multiple lines to compare the countries. You can select those countries which you want. Here is the 3D plot of population versus diabetes prevalence. You can watching here. It's showing the all data over the years, past years. Okay, you can play with it. You can play with the wall app. Okay, here is the, you can select the year of range. Here is the bar chart. You can select, you can compare by country or years. Okay, and here is the box plot distribution of values. Now here you can forecast the diabetes prevalence actual versus forecast data. Okay, and you can also select the range of the year, which year you can want to forecast. Okay, now you can also select the indicators which you want, and then you can see the plots of all indicators. Total fertility, rate. Now I am selected. Here you can also select the again diabetes. Now I solved the error, and you can easily select which indicator you want, and easily you can um, forecast the values. Okay, now the app is total working fine. Okay, you can use this app in your portfolio or resume to show the client you can do the work easily which they give you. And a little bit improvement is needed in this project, then it will be ready for job or resume or portfolio. Now this time I am filling out the README file with the help of AI. It will easily fill up the README file. Okay, let's see. Now README file is ready. You can look here the README file. Okay, README file is ready. I hope this video has helped you a lot. If it has, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.